We're going to build a garden patio using 4 of our products, which include Blue Circle Mastercrete and 3 products from our ready-to-use range. This patio will cover approximately 8 by 5 metres, or 26 by 15 feet. We'll be using a cement mixer and wacker plate to speed up the process. Using wooden pegs and a stringed line, measure out the area where your patio will be laid. Use a builder's square or similar to make sure all your corners are correct. To help protect the grass around the area, we are using external ply as working platforms. To avoid any unwanted growth coming through the patio base, we are removing the top layer of turf. Next, you'll need to dig out a trench for the footings to a minimum depth of approximately 13 centimetres or 5 inches. We recommend you use wooden pegs as a guide for depth. We're using our ready-to-use Blue Circle high-strength concrete 40 Newton for the footings. This will form a solid base on which to lay the retaining wall. We're mixing 1 bag at a time with only enough clean water to achieve a firm consistency. When ready, tip your mix into a wheelbarrow. Simply pour the concrete into the prepared area, roughly level off, and leave to harden for 24 hours. We're now ready to lay the retaining wall using Blue Circle quality assured mortar. You just add clean water for the perfect mix every time. Before starting work, set out your bricks along the work area for ease. Start by laying the bricks at both ends of the footings, then secure a stringed line across the length. This will help you lay a straight course of brick. Use your spirit level to check your levels as you go. Repeat this for each course. Here we're laying 3. We have left out the corner of the patio as this will be forming a curve as a feature later. An easy way to set the level of your patio area is by using a spirit level and wooden pegs. Tap the pegs to the height of the retaining wall, fill the area with hardcore, and roughly rake level to approximately 8 centimetres or 3 inches from the top of the wooden pegs. Then compact down using a wacker plate or heavy garden roller. We're now going to use ready-to-use Blue Circle multi-purpose concrete as a semi-dry mix to form a solid base for the stone slabs. Tip the concrete mix, covering the area, and rake level to the top of the pegs. Tamp down using a straight edge to achieve your final level. Leave to set for 24 hours before working on it. As we're using a patio kit, we need to lay it out on the area before setting, according to the plan provided. You only need to do this for the first run to make the slabs fit correctly. For the bedding mortar, we're now going to use Blue Circle Mastercrete cement with the addition of sand. We're mixing 6 parts sand to 1 part Mastercrete. Add clean water and mix to your required consistency. Apply the mortar and place each slab into position and tap down using a rubber hammer. Check the slabs with your spirit level and adjust if necessary. Continue following the pattern down to the corner. Next, dig out the curve ready for the footings. Mix and pour in ready-to-use Blue Circle high-strength concrete 40 Newton and leave it to harden for 24 hours. To lay your bricks, mix Blue Circle quality assured mortar and clean water. To form a tight curve, you'll need to cut the bricks in half. You can do this by either using a brick hammer or bolster chisel and hammer. Lay your bricks and check your levels as you go. For added strength, backfill with a semi-dry mix of ready-to-use Blue Circle multi-purpose concrete, and again leave to harden for 24 hours. Now, lay the remaining patio slabs. Here we'll need some patio slabs cutting to match the curve. We recommend you mark them with a pencil and ask a professional builder to cut them for you. For pointing the slabs, mix Blue Circle quality assured mortar in a bucket with clean water. Point up the joints using a pointing tool. Only do this in dry conditions, as wet mortar may stain the slabs. Protect the concrete from frost and rain by covering with a plastic sheet and allow it to cure for at least 7 days or longer. When you've finished, always clean your tools immediately and leave the area tidy. Reinstate the ground around the patio area and reseed if necessary. Remove the cover and brush off the excess mortar. Your new patio is now ready to use. If using a cement mixer or wacker plate, we recommend you follow the manufacturer's instructions, and if in doubt, seek further advice. Use our online calculator to help you work out quantities and the number of bags or tubs you'll need at tarmac-bluecircle.co.uk. For more information about mixing specific concretes and mortars, you can also download our detailed builder's guide. Before using any of our products, please refer to the product packaging for all health and safety information. All our plastic packaging is made of recyclable material and should be disposed of in the correct manner. As you have just seen, all of our products, including our popular ready-to-use range, are perfect for use in a wide range of projects.